Hello, everybody. Today's video is going to be for all the healthcare professionals, whether you are a BMS, BHMS, BUMS, nurse, pharmacist, doctor, physiotherapist, optometrist, or any other fields. Yes, whenever we are in our course of pursuing our bachelor's or master's, one thing we all are looking out for is notes, is books, right? Because in healthcare professions, it is very important that we refer to the standard books, to the books which are as per the references of the Indian as well as foreign authors. So when you talk about the first concept that I'm going to, the first domain is about the medical books. So when you are in the field of medicine, you have to go through allergy, immunology, anesthesia, general and local, drug addiction, abuse, habituation, microbiology, biochemistry, cardiology, encompassing arrhythmia, angina, lipidemia, coagulants, platelets, hypertension, etc., heart failure, and coronary artery diseases, dentistry, right from the local anesthetics to the antibiotics to the implants, prosthetics, different kinds of orthodontics, dermatology, the dermatological products for different eczema, pus, abscess, and erythema, different conditions of the skin. Diabetes, we all know that cardiometabolic and metabolic disorders are very nowadays. An individual is very commonly susceptible to these disorders because of the sedentary lifestyle. Embryology, we all know that the drugs for embryology, specifically the pregnancy, special population, lactation care, emergency and critical care. So whenever you go in a hospital, there's an emergency cart or a crash cart or a critical cart, which and it has a set of medications, right from adrenaline to decoxin to your euro bag, everything. So all of this studying into detail. Endocrinology, where we have the different endocrine drugs, thyroid, oral contraceptives, and hormonal agents. Human anatomy, physiology, and pathophysiology, the different system: cardiovascular, neurological, nephrological, hepatological, hematological, dermatological, endocrinological, lymphatic, and reproductive, gastrointestinal. Ophthalmology, all the sensory organs: eyes, that is ophthalmic, ocular; ears, otic, nasal, and gustatory; tongue. Internal medicine, PSM, that is the the societal medicine, the family medicine, society medicine. Forensic medicine, specifically for the court cases or for the forensic evidences, biopsy reports, autopsy reports, all of those. Epidemiology, prevalence, incidence. General medicine, which compasses of all the general details of pharmacotherapeutics, etc. Genetics, gastroenterology, gynecology, if you're going into super specialization or specialization, gynecology, male, female, reproductive. Hematology, right from the these all books consist of everything, right from the biomarkers to the pathophysiology to the treatment regime to the causes, everything, right from diagnosis, prognosis, prevention, treatment, everything. Physiology, microbiology, infectious diseases, specifically tuberculosis, malaria, leprosy, other diseases like trypsomniasis, neglected tropical diseases, etc. Then we have military medicine, pulmonology for asthma, COPD, veterinary medicine, neuroanatomy, neuroimaging. We have so many different imaging techniques. We have right from CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, PET CT, SPECT, radiology, chest x-ray, 3D echo, ECG, so many different markers. And similarly, we have different specific markers like SGPT, SGOT, GGT, ALP. We have the different markers like iron, hemoglobin, hematocrit, RBC, WBC, platelets, ESR, D dimer, CRP, then the neuromarkers BDNF, GDNF, neurotransmitters, hormone, receptors level, right? All those different levels. Kidney, blood urea nitrogen, creatinine. So for FEV1, spirometry for lungs. So different organs have different specific biomarkers that you need to know. Oncology, cancer is very important. Targeted drugs, hormonal drugs, chemotherapeutic drugs. Nutrition, primary nutrition and balanced diet. What is undernutrition, overnutrition, malnourished. Then we have orthopedics, bone, muscular skeletal system, otorhinolaryngology. So it consists of the complete otic cavity, rhino, nasal cavity. Pediatrics, special care for the children, neonates, infants. What medications are to be given. Pathology, the different staining, microscopy techniques, and it compasses of everything that you need to identify a particular disease, all the pathological markers and pathological manifestations. Then we have neonatology, again the neonates. EBM, evidence-based medicine, and HEORL, health economics outcome research. ENT, ear, nose, throat. Pharmacology, the receptors, the pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, the psychiatry, neuropsychiatry, cardiopsychiatry, mental psychiatry, drug psychiatry, all the different types of sports psychiatry. Radiology, again for estimation. Respiratory disease. Rheumatology, which consists of the NSAIDs, of the inflammation, analgesic, pyretic effects, arthritis conditions. SLE. Surgery is one of the most important books field which you need to know, because small, right from following the SOPs to the incision, like laparectomy, vasectomy, tubectomy, hysterectomy, oophorectomy, different terminologies. What do you mean by that? Urology, diuretics, antidiuretics, traumatology, trauma, stroke, hypovolemia, the needs of plasma volume expanders, toxicology, poison and antidotes. You need to know about them thoroughly. So once you click on them, so you get a set of books like these. And then once you click on this, like suppose Katzang we want, or we want Paul Herox, so you can download or view the book. So this is the interface that you come across. So it's a very beautiful sites which you can go through for your preparation journey if you are a healthcare professional. For pharma books, you can see there are pharmacy books, and all the books are here encompassed in one single PDF. For immunology, pharmacology, anatomy, physiology, microbiology, biochemistry, biopharmaceutics, biostatistics and research methodology, cosmetology books, forensic pharmacy, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutics, engineering, cognicy, and other domains. So you can see over, you just have to click on download. Suppose Padmaja Uday Kumar, you can download this and you can come to know about the dental pharmacology and allied sciences. Satoshkar for therapeutics, Shanbag, so many different books you have. Rangandale, K.D. Tripathi, Goodman Gilman, Gobind Garg, Charles Craig. There are so many books that you can download from these set of books. So I'll be attaching the sites of all of these in the section. Now for Pharma Valla, this is a very beautiful site, Pharma Valla, where you get all sets of books, reference book, by just clicking on them. Again, note this name down: free book center, nursing books, addiction, anesthesia, dermatol, embro, and all of these books can be transcultural nursing, nursing care, reference book for nursing, nursing theory, obstetrics and gynecological nursing, public health nursing. What are the different advancements in nursing care? All of these are like catheters, sutures, decatheterization, catguts, ligatures, right? All of those terminologies. These are again the Navodaya College of Nursing, where these are all the books which are being attached over here. You can see the PDF link is there. So directly clicking on this link, DC Datta and Davis. Sembulingam is a very good book for medical physiology. I've myself read that book. um, then you have list of nursing books over here. You can see nursing and dietary therapy, mother care, nutrition care, adolescent care, right from calcium and iron supplements to the newborn mother, to the folic acid supplementation to the mother who's carrying the fetus, and then dietary nursing. All of these things are encompassed. So you can just, and for BHMS, BOMS, and other books also, there are so many plethora, abundant Telegram channels whereby you can just within a click get a set of books, get access to multiple notes, handwritten as well as printed e-notes. So all you need to do is find out, and I hope that this video was useful for you. Do like, share, subscribe my channel for more such upcoming videos on the healthcare professions. If you're a nurse, pharmacist, doctor, physiotherapist, optometrist, radiologist, BMS, BHMS, BUMS, any field. Thank you very much. Have a great